I was going to chop this up, but I'm just going to let it play how it is. So what I've done is I've spread the leather repair across this leather console. Alright, we're just going to let it play. I know it's going to be a long video, but if you're interested to figure this stuff out, you can figure it out. So this right here is a heat-treated leather repair. It's real soft. It's like, in the heat, in the summertime, it's real viscous. Not so thick as it is right now. It's so thick because it's cold out here. But as I apply it to the heated surface, it'll get real soft, kind of like, I don't know, what is this like? It's not like putty. It's like almost like a toothpaste, a little softer than toothpaste, I would say. And what I'm doing is filling these holes in, these cracks and crevices, like I said. I'm making it smooth. I'm trying to make sure there's no wrinkles in the stuff. Anyways, let's do this. So you can see the white stuff on there. That's the product. All right, so this is second layer. You can see that's where the tears were. You can see the pattern pressed into it. I know you can't tell, but it is flat. This product takes 24 hours to cure. It is dry to the touch. But if you tried to dig into it with your nail, you could still do that for right now, till tomorrow. So far, that's where we're at. All right, so it looks pretty good right there, but my brother would say when you think you got it good enough, go ahead and give it one more. And he's the younger guy. So we're gonna go ahead and give it one more. This is gonna be the third layer. Really, it looked like it could have did with just two. But we're gonna make it nice and even up here and make it look all copacetic like it's supposed to be. This is almost like, what I'm doing is I'm evening it out because it's like painting. You know, and you're painting with a brush, you get that line of paint, you're gonna even it out. I'm doing that right now with the material, making sure there ain't no lines in it, making sure it's nice and flat and flush. Boom, it's looking pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and heat that up and press it, and we'll show you after. All right, so that's the third layer. You can still see right there where the scratches were, the tears. You know, you can see them. We have not dyed it yet, so now what we're going to do is we're going to prep this and we're going to dye this, and we're going to see where it's at. All right, we're going to try this with one hand, so just so everyone knows, SEM is what is OEM recommended. That's what the professionals use, hence the reason I'm using it. Okay, we see all of that. We're going to go ahead and get this going. Now, if we get the seat a little bit, we'll go ahead and clean it up with a little thinner. Just wipe it down. Won't hurt nothing. Not quite there yet. A little bit of coverage still to go, but you see what I'm getting at. There is no more tears. All right, so let's look at this bad boy. No more tears. She's in there like somewhere.